Loads of you have been asking for a long time now about our paneling. Myself and Ola often sit here and we do some videos, and so many of you have commented on our paneling. Thank you so much. We love it. I'm going to turn the camera around and I will tell you a little bit about it. So we had this done quite a long time ago. We had a company that I saw on Instagram, ironically, and I loved the look of their work. Didn't want to do it myself, and to be honest with you, wouldn't be able to find the one with all this detail. And we did the double paneling, so the paneling inside. We had it done in our hallways. You know, we had it that it was all kind of bespoke the way we wanted it. All the hallways upstairs have been done as well. So yes, I would recommend this company, highly recommend them actually. And the only reason I'm doing this is because so many of you have been asking about it. So no, I'm not being paid to do this post. I'm just saying that it's a good company that we would recommend.